पैंडेमिक, डेथ, कोरोना, डिप्रेशन, स्ट्रेस, एंग्जाइटी, उफ भाई ये सब तो जैसे ज़िंदगी से जाने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा है। तो पढ़ने के लिए एंथुसियाज्म कैसे हाई रखे? Hey guys, you're watching Aditi's Adroit Squad. The sole purpose of making this video is just to inject an appropriate amount of insightedness into your head so that you may realize what is the time and how we are supposed to respond. Without any further delay, let's bounce to the bonus spikes. Number 1, exercise or meditation. Do sort of physical activities every morning, whatever suits you the best. If that is yoga, great. Or if meditation, that too is considerable. Or even if other kinds of exercises, then too that is substantial. But do that regularly. Now, some of you may ask, what is the relation between my studies, which is literally going down ladder day by day, and exercise? What? If I do regularly exercise, will that give me some extra power to solve some more questions in maths or understand everything well in accountancy? So, my answer to that would be somewhere in between no and yes. No, because indeed, doing exercise alone cannot really help you to get that topper tag. And yes, because doing physical workouts, your body becomes way more active than before. And it really aids in loads to charge the brain, to let you focus on your studies, and accordingly, indeed, you will do well. Now, number 2, learn to know, not to get marks only. एग्जाम्स भले ही ओपन बुक हुआ था या हो, पढ़ाई पे आपको पूरा फोकस करना है, बिकॉज यू आर स्टडिंग टू लर्न समथिंग सो दैट यू कैन अप्लाई देम प्रैक्टिकली इन द रियल वर्ल्ड. अगर आप उन बच्चों में से हैं जो क्लास में सीखने के लिए कम एंड टीचर्स को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए ज़्यादा एक्टिव रहते हैं, देन अवेक. अब सिर्फ वही काम आएगा जो आपने सीखा, इसलिए सिर्फ सीखने पे ध्यान दीजिए. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू हैव टू गेट 100%, बट इंडीड you must give your 100%. Now number 3, have a glance at the positive news as well. अगर बुरा हो रहा है आसपास, that doesn't mean कि सिर्फ बुरा ही हो रहा है. If very unfortunately 10% cases are extreme and 1% people are dying, for an instance in a particular place, there are 90% people who are getting recovered. That death scene of 1% of a large number is indeed very harsh and scratching the soul. But guys, we have to be positive emotionally and mentally well. Because right now we all are at the battleground and we all are supposed to fight against this tough time, being at most pacific and wise. So keep the enthusiasm high to learn and only to learn. Very soon videos will be coming in this channel to help students who have now jumped onto 10th standard. Please shower your support so that our enthusiasm may also not die and we may continuously help you wonderful students sitting in home. At last but not the least, we are not defined by what happens to us. We define ourselves by responding in our way. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free after all, and please do like the video if found my efforts considerable. Thank you. Happy watching.